Hey, Collective. Y'all had to come outside because you know I be working still. And then when I do bring Pierre out, I bring him out, not like I normally do because Pierre like the land of sun. So, I was dropping videos this morning cooking. And I took him out about, every now and then when I'm cooking, I open up the kitchen door. I can watch him. But Pierre is so spoiled. So I was in there doing my reading. If you listen to in one of the videos I was doing, he was barking at me, telling me, come on, take him outside. And I kept looking for him, so I came in the living room. He was laying on the couch like, I said, what you want? You want to go outside? He jumped off that couch. So we outside now, and I'm letting him do his thing. And then, I'm going to do my thing like a chicka wing. Y'all know I'm crazy. And to my 46 subscribers, I just want to say welcome. And for the gawkers and stalkers, what's up? You know I'm crazy. And I just want to say everybody continue to have a blessed day. Y'all know the new moon, 4:55 p.m. Remember the full moon. 4:55 p.m. I'm gonna make sure I be back on here 4:55 p.m. and do a reading. Ew. I guess that's what I'm supposed to do. Y'all, I'm just acting silly, but welcome, and thank you for coming over here. Anyway, y'all have a good day. I'm just sitting out here chilling, enjoying the sun. I'll be back. If you like my vibe, like, share, subscribe. China in the house. Empress of Love, signing out. Deuce.